Welcome to AdisInsight, a database for drug research and development, disease treatment and decision-making based on scientifically sound data. In this video, you'll learn how to create an Excel report using the Export feature in the AdisInsight database. For this example, let's create a quick indication search for hepatitis B. From the search result page, you can click on the Export link to begin creating your report. This will open a new window where you can select from several different file format options to create a report. We're going to focus on the options available for creating an Excel report. The first option, the Detailed Development Status Report, will provide a detailed view of your result set. This report will break out each permutation of drug development in a separate row. So you will see multiple rows for a single drug. If you open this report, which is available in the lower left-hand corner, you'll be able to see the columns included. The Excel report provides a raw data view which allows you to filter by drug name, synonyms or brand names, mechanism of action, indication, patient segment, phase, country, fast track designation, route of administration and formulation, and developer. If you return to the Export screen, you can choose the second Excel reporting option for key drug properties. The default for this report is to include all of the columns listed here in the Excel file. But you have the ability to decide which columns to include in your report. For example, you can deselect all and decide which columns you'd like to be included. Let's choose Indications, Mechanism of Action, Organization, New Molecular Entity, and Adverse Events. Once you are happy with your selection, you can export your report. Again, the file will appear in the lower left-hand corner. You'll notice that this report returns one line for each drug. These two Excel options allow you to further analyze the data as needed, and we offer exporting options for all of the content sets within AdisInsight. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn how you can maximize your AdisInsight subscription.